Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 9 mathematics we are discussing about algebraic identity. What is algebraic identity? So students, algebraic identity and algebraic identity is an algebraic equation. Algebraic equation that is true for all values. An algebraic identity is an algebraic equation that is true for all values of variables occurring in it. Students, you all are familiar with four algebraic identity that you have learned earlier. The very first is whole square of a plus b. The whole of square of a plus b is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second is the whole square of a minus b. The whole square of a minus b is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third, square of a square plus b square. We can also write it in the form of a plus b whole square minus 2ab or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. The fourth one is, student, x plus a into x plus b. So the formula of x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. The fifth one is, this all when we multiply them we will get this result. The fifth is square of a minus square of b, that is a plus b into a minus b. Some new algebraic identity that we have to learn in this class, that is whole square of a plus b plus c. Whole square of a plus b plus c. So whole square of a plus b plus c is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Or you can also write it a square plus b square plus c square, and we will take 2 as common here, ab plus bc plus ca. Okay students, now the seventh algebraic identity that you have to study in this class is whole cube of a plus b. So whole cube of a plus b is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Or you can also write it a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now the next is whole cube of a minus b. Whole cube of a minus b. The whole cube of a minus b is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Or we can also write it a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Now the next identity is identity number 9, that is a cube. We can also get this identity from this result, a cube plus b cube. The formula of a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Or we can also write it the whole cube of a plus b square, whole cube of a plus b minus 3ab into a plus b. The next is whole cube of a minus whole cube of b. The formula that we can get result from here, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, or you can also write it a cube minus b cube minus a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Okay students, now the next formula is, next I am going to write, but before that we have to learn it. Now the next one is, but first we have to clean it. The 11th algebraic identity is if, here we have to learn a condition, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, when the cube of a plus when the sum of a cube plus b cube plus when the sum of a cube, b cube and c cube will be 3abc, when if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, means if the sum of three variables is 0, then the sum of their cube is equal to 3 into product of the variables. Okay, as I have told, I want to one thing share with you, that the identity number 9, 10, 11 and 12, these four identities we will also verify in my next video. Here we are only learning what is the algebraic identity and how many types of it, or what are the different types of algebraic identity. But in my next video we will discuss about how we will verify the result. If LHS is given, then how we will get the RHS, or if the RHS is given, then how we will get the LHS. So, but before students, before that we have to look the last algebraic identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This one is the last algebraic identity, and then we have to also verify algebraic identity 9, 10, 11 and 12 I will verify in my next video. Now these all algebraic identities, students, are very important for you all. All algebraic identity you have to keep in your mind when you are solving the problems of class 9 and 10. Either it is factorization or other problems of algebra. If you are not keeping these all algebraic identities in mind, then you can't solve a lot of questions. You can also not factorize at least some polynomials. So these 12 algebraic identities you have to remember or always keep in your mind to solving the problems related to algebra. Okay friends, so I hope you all will note it, and one or two times you will memorize and write in your paper. Okay, thank you students.